Measurements are often taken for granted. We sometimes do not appreciate the grand importance measurements play in our life.
On a baseline level, measurements fall into the categories of weight, area, volume, length, and even temperature. While we'll look at these various categories as stoic forms of mathematical measurements, a closer examination of things we do in everyday life reveals their clear importance.
Like taking proper medicine. If you have an illness, whether serious or minor, you need to take your medicine and take it in a proper amount. If you take it too little or too much, then you are not going to get the proper benefit from it. Cooking properly. Cooking of all forms is based on proper attention to measurement. Can you bake a chicken at 600 degrees? Well, you can, but the result will be pretty catastrophic.
So, what really is measurement?
Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to teach you all about measurements, its types, and other basic about measurement. But first of all, let us first define what is measurement. Measurement, a number that shows the size or amount of something. Usually the number is in reference to some standard measurement. It is also the assignment of a number to a characteristics of an object or an event, which can be compared with other objects or event. The scope of application of measurement are dependent on the context and discipline. Measurements can be applied in our everyday work and tasks. It is used to measure different things around us, like monitoring our weight, if we gained pounds or not in the past few days, or measuring our height if there's any improvement have made. Moving on, there are basic units of measurements. The units and their physical quantities are the second for time, the meter for measurement of length, the kilogram for mass, the ampere for electric current, Kelvin for temperature, the mole for amount of substance, and the candela for luminous intensity. Measurement is indeed a very helpful tool in many ways. There are four types of measurements: the nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. For a nominal scale, it is a measurement scale in which numbers serve as tags or labels only to identify or classify of an object. It also deals only with non-numeric variables or where numbers have no value. For ordinal scale, it is typical measures of non-numeric concepts like satisfaction, discomfort, and etc. Ordinal is easy to remember because it sounds like order, and that's the key to remember with ordinal scales. And for interval scale, these are numeric scales in which we know both the order and the exact difference between the values. And lastly, for ratio scales, these are ultimate nirvana when it comes to data measurement scale because they tell us about the order and they tell us the exact value between units.
Measurement scale in statistical analysis, the type of information provided by numbers. Each of the four scales provides a different type of information. Measurement refers to the assignment of numbers in a meaningful way, and understanding measurement scales is important to interpreting the numbers assigned to people, objects, and events.
Measurement tools are instruments used by researchers and practitioners to aid in the assessment or evaluation of subjects, clients, or patients. Types of measurement tools include scales, indexes, surveys, interviews, and informal observations. Examples of measuring tools are calipers, micrometer, laser measure, ruler, compass, square, measuring tape, and tailor's measuring tape.
Measurement is the action of measuring something or some amount of stuff. So, it is important to measure certain things right. Distance, time, and accuracy are all great things to measure. By this, reasoning measurements are extremely important because they shape the way we think and interact every day.
And that is all about the measurements. Hope you guys have learned a lot from us. Thank you and see you on our next video. Bye bye!